Welcome to today's English learning activity through cooking. We'll make Ajwain rice or carom leaves rice and practice using the simple present and simple past tenses. Ingredients: when sharing a recipe, the simple present tense is typically used. Here's how to describe the recipe step by step using the simple present tense. Describe the recipe step by step in the present tense. Rinse the rice thoroughly and cook it pressure cooker. Heat oil in a pan and cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, asafoetida, peanuts, curry leaves one by one and fry, and finally add the paste of ajwain or Carmon leaves, letting them sizzle. Add the cooked rice and mix gently. Garnish with fresh coriander for a final touch. The rice was rinsed thoroughly and cooked in a pressure cooker. Oil was heated, and cumin seeds, mustard seeds, peanuts, turmeric, green chilies, asafoetida, and a paste of ajwain or Carmon leaves were added, releasing a rich aroma. The cooked rice was then added and gently mixed. It was garnished with fresh coriander for a finishing touch. In summary, Ajwain rice was prepared with a blend of aromatic spices and fresh ingredients, resulting in a flavorful dish. This exercise not only showcases a delicious recipe but also provides an opportunity to practice English language skills using the simple past tense.